If you've ever gone camping or planned a small backyard barbecue, only to end up dealing with a weak portable grill that barely gets hot enough to cook properly, you already know how disappointing outdoor grilling can be. A lot of compact charcoal grills look good online, but once you actually use them, they struggle with heat control, uneven cooking, and cheap materials that don't last. That's exactly why the Giantex Portable Hibachi Grill stands out. It's designed for people who want authentic charcoal flavor in a compact setup that still feels sturdy, practical, and genuinely enjoyable to use. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. This grill is clearly built for campers, small families, apartment balcony grilling, picnics, tailgating, and casual backyard cooking. The overall goal here isn't to replace a giant backyard smoker. Instead, it's meant to deliver that classic smoky charcoal experience in a portable size that's easy to carry, easy to store, and simple enough for everyday outdoor cooking. And honestly, for people who prioritize flavor and portability over oversized cooking capacity, it checks a lot of boxes. The first thing that immediately stands out is the cast iron construction. Most portable grills in this category rely on thinner metals that lose heat quickly and feel disposable after a season or two. Cast iron changes the entire experience because it retains heat significantly better and distributes it more evenly across the cooking surface. That means fewer random hot spots and more consistent cooking, especially when grilling steaks, chicken, kebabs, or vegetables. It also gives the grill a heavier, more durable feel that inspires a lot more confidence than lightweight portable alternatives. Visually, the grill has that classic hibachi-style design that feels simple but functional. It's compact enough to fit easily on a picnic table, balcony, or campsite setup without taking over all your space. The size also makes it easier to transport compared to larger charcoal grills, which honestly matters a lot more once you packed a car full of camping gear. Even though it's compact, the cooking surface still feels practical for smaller gatherings and can comfortably handle food for several people at once. One of the smarter features here is the double-sided grill grate. Instead of adding complicated mechanisms, Giantex keeps it simple by allowing you to flip the grate to create two different cooking heights. In real-world use, that becomes surprisingly helpful. You can keep food closer to the charcoal for stronger searing or move it farther away when cooking more slowly or trying to avoid burning delicate foods. Combined with the adjustable airflow door on the bottom, you actually get a decent amount of temperature control for a portable charcoal grill in this price range. Performance-wise, this grill delivers where it matters most. It heats up relatively quickly, maintains cooking temperatures well, and creates that authentic charcoal flavor people usually struggle to get from gas grills. Burgers develop a proper crust, steaks get solid grill marks, and vegetables pick up a nice smoky finish without drying out too fast. Because cast iron holds heat so effectively, the grill also tends to use charcoal more efficiently than thinner portable grills that constantly lose temperature. Another thing worth mentioning is the ease of cleanup. Charcoal grills are never completely mess-free, but the detachable grill grate and charcoal grate definitely make maintenance easier. Once everything cools down, cleaning ash and food residue feels pretty straightforward instead of frustrating. Assembly is also refreshingly simple. Some portable grills overcomplicate setup, but this one stays beginner-friendly and doesn't feel intimidating even if you're newer to charcoal grilling. Now, to keep things balanced, there are a few trade-offs here. Since this is cast iron, it does require a little maintenance to keep it in good condition long-term. You want to keep it dry and occasionally season it to prevent rust. Also, while the compact size is great for portability, it naturally limits cooking capacity compared to full-size grills. If you regularly cook for large parties, this probably won't be enough space on its own. Compared to similarly priced portable charcoal grills, though, the Giantex feels noticeably more durable and cooking-focused. Many lightweight camping grills prioritize portability, but sacrifice heat retention and cooking consistency. This one leans more toward grilling performance, while remaining compact enough for travel and outdoor adventures. That balance is what makes it appealing. Overall, this is a really solid option for campers, tailgaters, apartment dwellers, and anyone who wants real charcoal grilling without dragging around a huge setup. It's simple, durable, easy to transport, and genuinely enjoyable to cook on. If you've been searching for a portable charcoal grill that actually feels reliable and built to last, this one is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description before grilling season starts pushing prices up and availability down.